Hey, hello everyone. Good to see you all on this video. And in this one, I'm going to unbox this box. Recently I received this one from Amazon. Yeah, this is my first HDMI cable, I would say, because whatever or I'm purchasing from Amazon or from local store, whatever it is, I used to get a HDMI cable free, whether it is the soundbar or display, whatever it is. But this is the time, this is the first time I need another one HDMI cable, and I miscalculated. That's why I ordered this one for me, right? Yes. Okay, here it is, the Zebronics HDMI cable, and you can see these are all the specifications. One unit, model name, number, and the price is not 400. It's under 170, I think. I'm not getting. So go and check out the product name, from Amazon, and you can see this is a gold plated HDMI 2.0 org, so you can transfer sound, that is the audio return channel. And if your laptop or your monitor is supporting audio, then you can able to transfer those audio to the speaker in your, sorry, in your, from your device to speaker, which is having audio output. So many monitors do support audio, right? So you can see the gold plated one, and also the Zebronics branding over there, right? Yes. It's, I think, 1 meter. Anything anywhere mentioned? 1 unit is there. Yes, HDMI cable 1 meter. So I'm using. I'm going to use this cable for the purpose of um, two bidirectional input and one output, from the distributor. Actually, I purchased recently this one from Amazon. So this cable will be the input for the monitor from this one, this output, and this is having the input from the laptop and my desktop, because I'm using one monitor for my laptop and then my desktop PC. That's why. So if you want to purchase a cable like this, I don't know this quality. Stay tuned for my next video. You can able to see, but uh, I hope it will be the good option for me to do. Anyway, it's me forming as any of me. Join in the next video. Peace.